Now, our breaking news this hour. The Rivers State House of Assembly has suspended impeachment proceedings against Governor Siminalayi Fubara and Deputy Governor Ngozi Odu following a direct intervention from President Bola Tinubu. The move effectively pauses what had become one of the most politically charged episodes in the state in recent years, raising hopes of a more measured resolution. The Rivers State House of Assembly formally began impeachment proceedings against Governor Fubara and Deputy Governor Odu on January 8, 2026, citing alleged gross misconduct and constitutional breaches. Lawmakers accused Governor Fubara of several offences, including demolition of the Assembly complex, extra budgetary spending, withholding funds from legislative bodies, and refusal to comply with financial autonomy rulings. The impeachment move came amid prolonged tensions in Rivers State politics, including disputes involving Governor Fubara and his predecessor, the FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, and debates over governance and power sharing. The Rivers State High Court issued interim orders restraining the impeachment process for several days, warning that no actions related to impeachment should be pursued until hearings. At one point, a lawmaker directed the state chief judge to set up a 7-man panel to investigate the allegations through the chief judge, though the chief judge declined due to existing court orders at that time.